7 Travel Trends to Watch in 2025. Noctourism. Noctourism is all about experiencing the magic of a destination after the sun goes down. From nighttime museum tours to illuminated cityscapes, travelers are increasingly exploring unique activities after dark. Popular options include stargazing in remote areas, night safaris in wildlife reserves, and attending cultural performances or festivals. Cities like Paris and Tokyo are particularly appealing for noctourism due to their vibrant nightlife and late-night attractions. This trend is perfect for travelers looking to experience a new perspective on familiar destinations. Campcations. Modern life's hustle has given rise to vacations designed for relaxation and mental wellness. Travelers are seeking out yoga retreats, spa vacations, and meditation hubs in serene locations. Destinations like Bali, Costa Rica, and Kerala are known for offering campcations. Activities include digital detox, forest bathing, and personalized wellness programs. This trend reflects the shift toward prioritizing mental health, with travel serving as a form of therapy. Integration of AI in travel. Artificial intelligence is reshaping how we plan and experience travel. Apps like Google Maps now offer real-time recommendations for dining, attractions, and routes, while AI-based platforms provide customized itineraries based on your preferences. Virtual reality is being integrated to preview hotels or attractions before booking. AI also helps manage travel logistics, such as flight bookings and language translations, making travel smoother than ever before. Extended trips to fewer places. Gone are the days of rushed, multi-city tours. Travelers in 2025 prefer longer stays in a single destination, allowing them to connect more deeply with local culture. This trend emphasizes sustainable travel by reducing the carbon footprint from frequent transport. Tourists engage in activities like language learning, community volunteering, or slow explorations of regional cuisines. Countries like Italy, Japan, and Thailand cater perfectly to this trend. Silent travel. In a world filled with noise, travelers are seeking destinations that offer peace and quiet. Silent travel focuses on escaping the urban chaos and spending time in serene environments like remote islands, monasteries, and mountain retreats. Destinations in Bhutan, Finland, and New Zealand cater to this need with pristine nature and tranquility. Silent zones in cities and noise-free accommodations are also gaining traction. Increased solo travel. Solo travel is becoming mainstream as people look for flexibility, independence, and self-discovery. Women, in particular, are embracing this trend, with destinations offering safety and inclusivity gaining popularity. Solo-friendly destinations include Iceland, Japan, and Portugal. Activities like journaling, meeting other travelers, and exploring hidden gems at one's own pace define this trend. Nostalgic vacations. Travelers are revisiting destinations or experiences that evoke fond memories. This trend includes train journeys, visits to historic amusement parks, and exploring heritage sites with a retro vibe. Families often seek to recreate childhood trips, while older travelers look for places that remind them of simpler times. Destinations like Disneyland, classic European cities, and traditional countryside settings are perfect for nostalgic vacations. Travel in 2025 is all about meaningful journeys. Which trend excites your wanderlust, or do you know of any unique options? Share with us in the comments.